Hello, dear friend, and welcome to SoulWalk. I am Mina, and I'm so glad you decided to step away from the world's noise for a moment to walk with me. This is your safe space, a place where time slows down and your soul can finally breathe. Find a comfortable spot, let your shoulders drop, and just be present. Today, I have a story to share with you, or perhaps just a moment of silence to offer. Let's begin our journey.
回荡，靠墙机上，汗水流淌，那些片段刻在心上。课堂机上，偷偷对望，年少轻狂，梦想闪亮。岁月匆匆，轻易遗忘，这份友情永远珍藏。
Hello, friend. Let's take a walk together through this beautiful garden. Just you, me, and the gentle whisper of nature. I want to tell you a story about a woman named Sarah. She lived in the heart of New York, city, a place where the clocks never stop. Sarah was a master of efficiency. Her calendar was a work of art, but her soul was tired. She was always living for tomorrow. A better job, a bigger apartment, a brighter future. One weekend, she escaped to a small coastal town. There, she met Ann Painter. His studio was filled with masterpieces, but one canvas in the center was nearly empty, just a few strokes of blue and gold. Sarah asked him, "When will you finish this? It's incomplete." The man smiled and whispered, "Sarah, it's not unfinished. I only add one stroke of paint each day. The rest of the time, I watch the paint dry. I listen to the ocean. I feel the breeze. If I rush to finish it, I lose the joy of being with it." In that moment, Sarah realized that her life wasn't a task to be completed. It was a painting to be experienced. My friend, are you rushing to finish your own story? Are you so focused on the deadline that you've forgotten the self-care of just being? Work-life balance isn't just a schedule. It's a state of mind. It's giving yourself permission to watch the paint dry. You are exactly where you need to be. I'm so glad you're here with me. Stay a while. Now, take a deep breath with me. Let go of the next thing for these few minutes. Let this garden be your world.
靠墙机上，汗水流淌，那些片段刻在心上。课堂机上，偷偷对望，年少轻狂，梦想闪亮。岁月匆匆，轻易遗忘，这份友情永远珍藏。时光它不停在转，但回忆不会消散。Every 嘅歌，愛再也別響，我哋嘅故事永遠唔會忘。青春回憶好似夢一場，柔情歲月地高有天長。Every 嘅歌，愛再也別響，我哋嘅故事永遠唔會忘。青春回憶好似夢一場，柔情歲月地高有天長。 成长路上有过迷茫，互相鼓励走出彷徨，风雨之中并肩抵抗，这份情谊比被更冷。遇见个伞在四方，心中牵挂从未停歇，无论距离有多漫长，这份友情永远滚烫。一飛嘅歌，為際遇變響，我哋嘅故事永遠唔會忘，情中回憶好似夢一場，柔情歲月地久有天長。一飛嘅歌。
As our walk comes to an end for today, remember that this peace doesn't stay here in the video watch, lives inside you. Carry this stillness with you as you step back into your world. You are doing enough, and you are exactly where you need to be. If this moment brought you peace, please join our SoulWalk family by subscribing. I would love to walk with you again soon. Until next time, take care of yourself. I am Mina, and I'll be waiting for you in our next sanctuary. Goodbye for now.